Hi, Jeff White from White's. We've got a 2006 Toyota HiAce. This is a super long wheelbase turbo diesel with a bench seat in front. It's done 190 k's. It's a three-seater there. It's got I think CarPlay, reverse camera, all that sort of thing. It's quite unique, this van, and I'll show you why. Enormous amount of room if you doing restoration, or doesn't matter, general carpet cleaning, but lots of room here between the two sliding doors. Chemical shelf here on the side. But the most unique part about it is this. You've got the beauty of a diesel truck mount. It's a Prochem Apex diesel connected to the diesel fuel line. So this will give you lots of power and performance. I wouldn't be surprised, only about 3 litres an hour to run this unit. So it runs off the diesel, it's got the Kubota. It's virtually like a current 570, that sort of performance. It's a dual want machine. It runs like a clock, stainless reels, but it's a fantastic combination being diesel connected to diesel, so you get that longevity and fantastic fuel economy. So very unusual to have that combination, but it's been through the workshop, good machine and a good van. I think the van's only had 2 owners. Okay, thank you.